so it's me, Is here, and today I just got back from Dollar Tree, so I didn't take my coat off, of course. And as you can see, I changed my background. I hope you like it, because it's almost Christmas, and I love Christmas, so that's why I decorated early. So, and thank you, I got my Christmas hat. So today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree review. Basically, I got 3 items, and I really want to show you and see if they really work, because they sound really cool, but sometimes they don't work. So let's get started. First things first, I got this cup. I know what you're thinking, why did you get a cup? How can you test that? Well, this is supposed to keep your drinks cold, so I want to see. So let me open this up. And I'm going to pour some ice cold water in here. Now sometimes this is annoying whenever you have little sweat right here, and sometimes it slips and it falls on the floor and it's everywhere. So this is supposed to make it better. So let me pour everything in. Get the ice, oh well, okay. So let me put this over here, and then I'm going to test it out if it really works. So let's see. It works. But I can test it to the end of the video to see if it has any sweat on it. So I'm going to just take this to the side and go to the next item. So this is what I was most excited about. Instant snow. Whenever I found this, I was like, I need to get this. Like, it was an urge to get it. So it is called Science for Kids and Make Your Own Snow. It's really cool. So let me just get this open. And I have scissors just in case I can't open the packaging. Oh, it comes with a spoon already. Because of the spoon, the instant snow, and this paper. But I already know the instructions. So I have this little bowl from our cornbread video. So I thought it was the perfect size for this. So let me open this up. Pour a little bit in, and then add a little bit of water. I learned that whenever you're making instant snow, you only want to pour a little bit of water into it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of snow. I'm going to put this right here. I got this mixing tool. So I got this little mug with the water in it, and it has this little like teaspoon deal. And I'm going to put a little bit in. It's growing! That's so cool, because sometimes these are not working, but this one like came together automatically, which was really cool. So I think this is definitely a working product. Oh my god, it's so surprising, because sometimes these don't work and I'm really sad because I kind of wasted my money, and that just makes me sad. So I would recommend this for you. So let me put this aside and go to the next item, our last item, our final grand finale. So let me just put this aside. And I got this sun catcher. I just saw it and I was like, I need to get this. I need it. So let me just open this up. This is hard. Sometimes packages are hard to open. So I got this really cool design. It's like a flower. I really like it. Comes with a paintbrush. It's a paint. Sometimes the paint is a ripoff, like not good at all. So I'm gonna test it to see if it works. These are hard to open. I'm not gonna lie, these are really hard to open. And in our next video, I'm gonna be showing you how this dries, because then the video would take forever, because we would just be watching paint dry. So I'm gonna show it in our next video. So I'm just gonna paint some of this, and I think this will work. To be honest, I really think this will work. And hopefully you like my background music, my background music. I don't know what it's called, but it's I really like it. So definitely in the next video, I will definitely show you this, because I really want this to work, and I think it's really cool. So I really hope that you enjoy this. So I'm gonna be finishing this after the video, because they'll just be watching me paint the whole day. So and then this cup didn't sweat, which I'm surprised. It's just dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!